Hi, this is Tony Moats with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy and Apple Tree Home Daycare. This video is part of our camp themed series, and I opened up this box of Lincoln Logs that I got. It's the Country Camper Ranch. Now I have 1.5-year-olds, a new 3-year-old, and an older 3, and our daycare. That's what this activity is going to be for. I have this tray here with some construction paper on the bottom to keep them in. And what I did is, this is a new set I bought today. I separated out the pieces, and this set comes with an instruction manual, little leaflet to build this little house right here, this little log cabin. And so what I'm going to do is only put out these larger pieces here, and I'm going to keep these bagged up and put away for the smaller pieces. This is for the house because we don't need that. We're going to do campfires, tents, and things like that. The little fire, the little flames for the fire, the campfire, is too small. And all these pieces are too small for my kiddos. And I just don't need that pieces for the house. So I'm just going to let my kiddos play with these larger sets and encourage them not to put them in their mouths. So yeah, go ahead and check out our other videos in this series, and I have a lot of more unboxing to do. Like, share, subscribe. Have a great week. Thanks.